Hi, you are now watching the OTOP series on every Monday morning. And pay attention, there is no other media group like Instagram, Telegram, WhatsApp or WeChat that we share this market opinion. This valuable market opinion is only shared on every Monday morning in OTOP, only right here in YouTube. And this market opinion is going to help you do a wonderful stock pick after you do your homework. Stay tuned and I shall be right back. This is the start of a new year, year 2023, and welcome back to the OTOP series. This is the OTOP 125 episode, and today is the 2nd of January, year 2023. As usual, every Monday morning, 9 a.m., every Monday, alright, just come back to us, whether it is Malaysia time, Hong Kong time, Singapore time, or Beijing time, 9 a.m. is a time where you log on to us, watch our video, like it, and continue to share with your loved one. And on this very happy New Year Day, I am continuing to show you what is going to be a good pick for this week, and that's for OTOP 125. Alright, well, before we move on to the previous OTOP that we did 2 weeks ago, because last week was a Christmas week and we took a break, and this is the first time we took a break for last 2 years. Alright, so well, we'll do a small revision before we go on to OTOP 25 today. Well, on last Friday, alright, that's the last trading day of year 2022, and we saw the US triple indexes closing with a little bit of sell-off. In fact, on a yearly basis, alright, yearly basis on annual comparison, year 2022 is the first time Dow Jones closed at a negative decline over the whole year, alright, since 2008, alright, since 2008, during the subprime crisis, from 09 onwards until year 2021. Every year, Dow Jones closed higher on the last day of December compared to the first day of January, except year 2022. Alright, so Dow Jones on Friday closed at a price of 33,147, and it was down 73 points. S&P was down 9 points, while Nasdaq was down 11 points. Gold prices went up higher, alright, went up higher, and that actually indicates a potential weakening in US dollars coming soon for this week. Alright, and gold prices closed at the level of 1,830 US dollars per ounce, up $4. And the WTI crude prices, alright, not much movement, and the closing price was still almost same as last week, $80.51. Well, and nothing spectacular as we move into January. We foresee some of the hidden risks going to be coming into the market for us. So handle well and watch us. Well, take a look at what we mentioned in OTOP 124. That was 2 weeks ago before the Christmas. We were actually talking about Airbnb when it was trading like in the range of 90 or 91 US dollars per share. Yes, and too bad, you know, unfortunately it went down, okay, to 80 to about $82 and starting to come up. In DW World Equity time, our opinion is if you can hold on to these stocks because Airbnb will eventually recover very soon. It is now on the downside, so no harm holding on to it because moving back into the range of 100 is highly possible. So after this quick revision, let's take a look at this week what we are going to cover it. Well, basically this week we are looking at the US dollar index first, alright, to find the direction. As you can see here, well, for the whole of December, especially after the Federal Reserve policymakers raising interest rates, alright, of 0.5%, okay, bringing the total Fed fund rates to 4.25 to 4.5%. There wasn't any much market movement in the last 2 weeks of December, alright, and everybody was expecting the dollar to strengthen because of the rate hike, but not true. If you look at this dollar index day chart, alright, we are looking at a potential down move in early January, which is starting from today, moving into this week. Alright, potentially we are looking at the dollar index going down to 1.102, alright, 102 before the recovery takes place. So when dollar weakens, one of the most direct currency that we're looking at this week will be the euro currency. Alright, euro currency, EURO. Let's take a look for those currency traders or people who favor euro currency. This is a piece of good news. All right, what you do is whether you trade the FX CND or FX cash or taking any position in euros this week, just take a look at euro currency marking against the US dollars, and this is exactly what we're going to talk about in the OTOP 1 to 5 for the week 2nd January year 2023. Well, if you look at this double top here, okay, although you may say it's a strong resistance, but there's a very strong potential of this euro currency market to spike up this week. All right, from this 1.0700 moving up to 1.0800 or even higher to this region of 870. So potentially there's a room on the top side before the market reaches a cap of resistance. Well, let's take a look at the 4-hour chart. Okay, 4-hour chart, it is consolidating. It has been consolidating for many days, all right, around Christmas season, and now we have seen the spike up starting to come up in the euro currency against US dollars. 4-hour chart momentum is still pretty low and able to grow. All right, grow. Well, the week chart shows us, as I mentioned, okay, 1.0800 or even to 870 is highly possible for this week, 2nd January year 2023. So this is the OTOP 1 to 5 DW World Equity Time. Well, encourages you to come back on every Monday morning, 9 a.m. Singapore time, Hong Kong time, Malaysia time. Watch us and continue to stay tuned. I shall be back. Bye-bye.